Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of fashion, so let's get started. The fashion business encompasses all aspects of the fashion industry, including the design, production, marketing, and distribution of clothing, accessories, and footwear. It involves a combination of creative and business elements, blending artistry with commerce. Fashion businesses range from independent designers and boutique owners to large fashion brands and retailers. In the fashion business, designers and creative teams conceptualize and create new fashion trends and styles. These designs then undergo manufacturing processes to produce finished products. Fashion businesses also focus on marketing and promoting their brands through various channels, such as advertising, fashion shows, social media, and collaborations with influencers. Distribution plays a crucial role as well, with fashion products being sold through e-commerce platforms, brick-and-mortar stores, or partnerships with retailers. Ultimately, the fashion business is driven by consumer demand and the ability to anticipate and cater to evolving fashion preferences. Research and define your niche. Start by exploring the fashion industry to identify your specific area of interest or niche. This could include clothing, accessories, footwear, sustainable fashion, luxury fashion, streetwear, or any other segment. Determine what sets your brand apart and who your target audience is. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your objectives, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational details. A well-structured plan will guide you throughout your fashion business journey and help you stay focused. Build your brand identity. Establish a strong brand identity that reflects your unique vision and resonates with your target market. This includes creating a compelling brand name, logo, and tagline, as well as defining your brand values, aesthetic, and overall brand image. Source suppliers and materials. Identify reliable suppliers and manufacturers who can provide the materials, fabrics, and other resources needed for your fashion products. Establish relationships with them and ensure that their values align with your brand's ethical standards. Design and develop your products. Work on designing your fashion products or collaborate with designers who can bring your ideas to life. Create prototypes or samples to test and refine your designs before moving into production. Production and quality control. Once you have finalized your designs, set up a production process that ensures high-quality manufacturing. Establish strict quality control measures to maintain consistency and meet customer expectations. Develop an online presence. Create a visually appealing and user-friendly website to showcase your fashion products. Invest in professional product photography and optimize your site for search engines. Additionally, utilize social media platforms to build a strong online presence and engage with your target audience. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to increase brand awareness and drive sales. This may include online and offline advertising, influencer collaborations, fashion events, fashion shows, and other promotional activities. Consider using social media marketing, content creation, and email marketing to reach your target audience effectively. Distribution and sales channels. Determine the best distribution channels for your fashion products. Options may include selling directly through your website, partnering with retailers, setting up pop-up shops, or exploring e-commerce platforms. Evaluate each channel's pros and cons based on your target audience and brand positioning. Monitor and adapt. Regularly review your business performance, track customer feedback, and stay updated with fashion trends and market demands. Make necessary adjustments to your strategies and offerings to stay competitive and relevant in the industry. Remember, starting a fashion business requires passion, perseverance, and continuous learning. It's essential to network, collaborate with industry professionals, and stay up to date with industry trends to succeed in the dynamic world of fashion. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.